Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and now we have a new video which is a requested video on how to calculate the nutritive value of a food using the food composition table. Now in the FCT, the standard value of nutrients is based on a per 100 grams edible portion. For example, you have 1 cup of well-milled boiled rice, that is 160 grams. Now this is our given. So now using the FCT, these are the values of rice per 100 grams. Let's say for example, the energy kcal, which is 129 kilocalories per 100 grams. Now what we will do is we will divide 129 kilocalories by 100 grams. 129 kilocalories divided by 100 grams to get the value per gram. Now 129 divided by 100 equals to 1.29 kilocalories per gram. Now to get the value of 160 grams of rice, just multiply 129, we will multiply that by 160, which is our given. Okay, so 129 times 160 equals to 206.4 kilocalories. Okay, so that is how easy it is. Now let us try another nutrient, which is our protein. So now the given is still 160 grams of well-milled rice boiled. So 2.1, we will divide that by 100 to get the value per gram of protein. So 2.1 divided by 100, that is equals to 0.021. 0.021. Now 0.021, we will multiply that by the given, which is 160. So that will give you now the answer, which is 3.36 grams of protein in 160 grams of well-milled boiled rice. Okay, so I guess that would be all, but before that one, I have here also an Excel formula or Excel spreadsheet that I'm willing to share with you. So just send me a message request through my Facebook page, Cooking Calories, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos and also my Facebook page. So that would be all. Thank you so much for listening. Till next time.